Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to receive payment on Cash App. So if you want to receive payment on Cash App, make sure you download and install Cash App from your device. Then once you install this, then sign it up and link a bank account or a debit card or a Cash App for seamless transaction. Once you do that, provide the senders with one of the following information: your Cash App tags or a unique username tied with or to your Cash App account. Your phone number or email is also included. You can also turn on notification on your app, and also you can also show up in your Cash App balance if you want to transfer or receive funds to your Cash App account. Tap the bank tab, then select the cash out, choose the amount and transfer speed, and that is how you can receive your money on Cash App. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.